So I got this crock pot. Me compré esta... se me olvidó el nombre. Pretty big. Bastante grande. And I'm gonna try it for the first time today. I'm gonna make a chicken soup with fried chicken leftovers. Voy a hacer una sopa de pollo con sobras de pollo frito. Basically what I want is for the chicken to fall off the bone. Quiero que el pollo se caiga del hueso, del huesoski. Let's see what I have to learn. Voy a leer primero lo que tengo que aprender. And I don't have celery, no tengo apio, así que vamos a echar lo que tenemos. This is half white onion, la mitad. No, you know what? Let's do a full white onion. Full white onion. In dices, en cubitos, en cubitos. Then I'm also gonna add some baby potatoes. Some baby potatoes, like I said, it's not a lot, but it's what I have. Well, we're gonna add the chicken also. El pollo. Like I said, it's leftover fried chicken. Es sobras de, o lo que me quedó del pollo frito. Carrots and peas. Bunch of that. Again, this is my first time using this. Esta es la primera vez que uso esta maquinita, así que I don't know if it's gonna go good, it's gonna fail or what. But for what I read, it's like I have to cover it with water. Tengo que taparlo en agua. A little bit of oil, olive oil, salt and pepper, sal y pimienta, and I think that's it. That's all I know I have. Now we close it. Ahí. 3 hours. 3 horas. Now how does it start? I guess it started already. Creo que ya empezó. Yeah, it already started, as you can see. The only thing I may need to change, because I still don't know, is from high to low. The temperature. La temperatura es la única cosa que quizás voy a tener que cambiar. But I'm gonna check it after like an hour and a half or something like that. Because maybe high is too high. Quizás el alto es muy alto, but I don't know. No lo sé todavía. So we'll see. I can see already it's yeah, you can feel it's already coming. Pretty warm. Muy caliente está bien. I just stopped it, huh? It didn't do what I thought it would do. No hizo lo que yo pensé que iba a hacer. It is a soup, but I thought that 3 hours would be enough to have it like off the bone without having to touch it. Yo pensé que en 3 horas iba a ser tiempo suficiente como para que yo pudiera, para que el pollo estuviera fuera del hueso, but it's not enough. Also, right before I started it, I did change it from high temperature to low temperature, so maybe that did it. Sí, creo que lo voy a dejar 1 hora más, pero en temperatura alta, para ver qué pasa, porque todavía no voy a comer. Otherwise, I think it looks pretty good. So it is a little bit better, thicker. If you want it like that, that's high temperature 1 hour and low temperature 3 hours.